I want to start with a little bit of context, a couple of pictures to show you how it feels to be there, what kind of people. Although the main event is quite interesting and exciting, it's important to show some nuances in every project. In this video, I'm not going to talk a lot, just a couple of comments here and there to give you a little bit of insight on why and how I'm doing some things. Something that I do when I'm going to document these kind of events is to do a little bit of research. I think it's interesting and important because you can be a little bit more prepared for the kind of light, to know when the things are going to happen, and to be ready for the things. Another thing that I find quite important is that if you can, try different angles of the same thing. See which is the best background, where the light is going to help you, and all of that stuff. Obviously, when you can move around. In this case, I saw that where I was standing, that background was more interesting and there were more things happening than the one that I was doing the picture at the beginning, so I just moved. Another thing that I find interesting is to go outside the main event, go to the edges to see what's going on. I think that there is where you can find more nuanced pictures, more interesting moments, and often are the most interesting pictures because it's where no one else goes. A nice thing about these fiestas and these kind of events is that people is ready to be photographed. It's a very friendly environment to try things, to explore ways of composing, to talk with people and to learn about what's going on. So if you are a shy photographer or you are starting, try to find one of these things in your hometown or wherever you are and just try it. When you find something interesting, move around. This is a dynamic environment, and as you can see, I just wanted to avoid this woman that is in the foreground, and I tried and I tried and I did my best. But move around. Another thing that seems obvious, but I'm going to say it anyway, is just move with the flow, see what's going on, move with the people, with the things that it's happening, and also follow the light, obviously. Obviously, it goes a little bit with the part of the research, but be careful, be aware of where you are going. Some of these things sometimes are a little bit dangerous, so you have to know what's going to happen and how to avoid being hurt and all of that. And with this, my friends, we are going to about to finish the first POV, more or less POV. I hope that you enjoy it, and if you did, let me know in the comments and I will try to do more in the future.
Just move around.